Hello and welcome to another knitting pattern tutorial. My name is Infiniti and I'm the designer behind everything here under Infiniti Crafting Co. Today I'm going to be showing you how to knit my sweetheart scarf. It's a design that I came up with back in October because I was highly inspired and kind of reeling. So, this is one of those things where it's a benefit of being part of a Craftpreneur because this pattern won't be coming out publicly until February, but I just had to share this with you all. So I've gotten everything finalized and it's ready to go. This scarf pattern took me about 3.5 days total to complete. So if you're looking to make this as a gift for someone in the future, then you will definitely be able to complete this in a decent amount of time. First I'm going to jump into a material list and then we're going to dive right into the instructions, but I want to thank you again for supporting my content and my pattern writing journey, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so what you're going to need for this project is about 3 to 3.5 balls of Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick. Now for the original scarf, it was a variegated kind of flecky yarn, so there was less yardage in it. And I ended up using 4 skeins of yarn for that particular scarf. The goal here is to end up with a accessory that measures up to about 60 inches, and so those 4 skeins in the variegated version brought me to that point. I do have 4 balls of my solid color here just in case. You're also going to need US 15 knitting needles, aka a 10mm knitting needle. These are my Takumi Clover needles. I think they're 14 inches. You're also going to want scissors and a yarn needle of whichever sort you like. You're going to need a cable needle because, as typical of my patterns, I have included cables in this scarf. And you're going to want to have some stitch markers on standby. I have knitting ones that are going to do some outlining for me. You can also have locking stitch markers to keep track of your rows going up. But that's it. That's all you need. So without further ado, let's dive into the project tutorial. 2 and 3. We're going to yarn forward and we're going to purl these last 2 stitches. And that's it. So I put this row there to add some buffer between here and the cast off that we're about to do. I just think that it makes for a nicer finish. If you are watching this video on Rumble or YouTube, this pattern is of course available right now to Hey Craftpreneur members. Eventually it will be available in the PDF file in the handmade shop, but if you want to support my channel on a monthly basis, then I ask that you head over to the Hey Craftpreneur page today, listen/watch the info video that is above the subscription blocks, and then choose your plan. There's only one tier, either it's $5.99 a month or it's $19.99 quarterly. Whichever one is up to you. There is a promotion currently going on for the first 100 signups. If you use the promo code LetMeStitch, I will give you 20% off your first month as a thank you for wanting to continue to support my content.